How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to give you an update on the 15-in-1 USB docking station. Now, this is going to be a sort of a part 2 or an update video from the previous video in which I did the unboxing and the first impressions of this USB docking station. And I've been using this ever since, and in this video, I thought I'd give you an update. There are a couple of things that I found and I just want to touch on them. So let's get started with that. The first thing is the HDMI ports. I'm not sure about the display port because I haven't used it, but the HDMI ports seem like they're limited to 120 Hz maximum. So if you have a 240 Hz monitor, these will be limited to 120 Hz. The second thing is you can use this with your laptop as the power source. Now this is going to be limiting because you can't use all of the I/O on this, because I do have two capture cards plugged in here and a USB dongle, which is this one, this wireless dongle for the Bluetooth the wireless controller, and I plugged in my USB headset on this Type-C port and it just disconnected everything. So just keep that in mind. You will not be able to power the whole unit from just the laptop input or the laptop connection. And also, if you are having problems with the display ports or displays going out, messing about, it's probably because your laptop is not providing enough power. Now, the solution to that is just have this plugged into a wall outlet, and this will also power the whole USB dock, and they will also charge the laptop. And when you plug this in, you will get access to all of these ports, and they do work flawlessly. Now, there is one very important thing I do want to mention. This does not have uninterrupted power. So when you plug that in, it's going to disconnect everything, and then it's going to sort of reboot the whole docking station, and then it will connect to your laptop once again. And the problem with that is if you have USB hard drives or USB storage devices that are transferring data across, they will get interrupted and they will corrupt the file. So just keep that in mind. Also, I haven't tested out the headphone jack. If you do want me to test this out, just ask me in the comment section below and I will test it out for you, because I do use a USB headset. Okay, the last thing I do want to mention is that the cable that I came with is really tiny. Obviously, it's like 0.5 meters. So I got this USB 4 cable. And this has been working flawlessly. It's been working really well. It's 2 meters and it's gone all the way down to the table. I've just sort of wound it up. So it's very long and it works perfectly fine with that. So those are the only things I needed to mention. I do recommend it. It's been working flawlessly as long as you plug in the power. If you do want to use only the laptop as the input and also the power source, you will be limited to some of these ports. But I suppose it depends on what you're using with this. So if you do have any questions about this, ask me in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in another video.